Hi there, this is Henry Banda. Let's do a bit of revision on 2015 paper 1, mathematics. Okay, there is a question there. They can say solve. Okay, there we can say I'll use two methods. Method 1, and I'll use another method. And so here we have a mixed fraction. We convert it to improper fraction. 3 times 3, 9, plus 1. You have your 10 over 3. You have your 1 over 5. And so, a shortcut here, you can just say 5 times 10. You have your 50. 3 times 1, 3 should come once. 3 times 5, you have your 15. 47, okay, over 15, which will be 3 to get to 45. 47, there will be a remainder of that. Okay, method 2, I'll say, okay, let's use the LCM, the one we are used to. 3 times 3, 9, plus 1, 10. We'll have your 10 over 3. To get to the LCM, we'll say I'll arrange my numbers. This is 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 3 times 5. Okay, and so on. What the smallest number? So we can't go very far. 5 times 2, 5 times 3. So we've gotten a common number there. So we'll say that takes the place of the denominator. 3 into 15 is 5. 5 times 10, you have your 50. 3 into 15, 5 into 15, you have your 3. Times 1, you have your 47 over 15. Therefore, you have 3 that. Okay? And so we are done. Can use either method. Huh? We go to another one. Okay. There is this question. 4 to the power n is equal to 2 to the power 2 by 4 to the power 2. And so we can also use method 1 or method 2. We'll say we have 4's, they are common here. This is our 4, 4, 4. Okay, so we want to make them common. Here there is a power of 1. When these are the same, okay, I'll just say on this side I'll get 1. And then I'll add that. That will mean 4 to the power n is equal to that. These are the same. I'll just get the powers and say n is equal to 3. Okay. For the other one, you can say, if I'm not satisfied, I'll say, let me use another method. Let's get the 2's there instead of the 4's like we did. Say 2 to the power 2 gives us 4, but there's a power n there. 2 to the power 2 gives us 4. 2 to the power, already there's a 2, so it will be 2, 2 and another 2. Okay? And so we'll say 2 to the power 2n is equal to 2 to the power 2 multiplying 2 to the power of 4. These are the same. We'll get 1 and add the powers. And so that will give us 6. 2 to the power 2n. If these are the same, okay, this is 2. If these are the same, I'll get by 2n, and then I'll equate it to that. I'll solve for n, and I'll say it's giving us 3. That 3 is the same 3 even here. Okay. Okay. Another one. There is a bit of testing you on BODMAS here. This is 12. This is 12 added to 3. Here there is a multiplication going on. Where there is 36. So always take this multiplication, take that as one number, and then we'll say 2 added to 18. That's when you can do either your addition or you take away, then you add. There's no problem here. Already 12, 18, that will give us a 30. 30 take away 36, a negative of 6. Okay, 18, 30, okay. We are done. The other one is convert 0.375 to a fraction and its lowest terms. Okay, so here we can say the decimals moved 3 times, so we can just say 3, 7, 5, divide by the 3 zeros that are representing the decimal there. Can divide through by 5, 37, divide by 5. Okay, I'll say closest number there, 35. There will be a remainder 2. Into 25, 5 into 25, that will be our answer. I'll say 5 into 10 is 2. Let go of the zeros. Okay, still moving. 5 into 7 is 1. There is a 2 there. Into 25, I'll hide the 0. 5 into 20, say 4, and then let go of the 0. Okay. Again, okay, 5 into 15, 5 into that. Okay, to 40. That's the fraction in its lowest terms. Okay, we move on. Okay. They're saying if 1 billion. What's the other? The simultaneous equation. Okay. If x is equal to 2y, that's our equation 1. Equation 2, x plus 2y. Okay. Supposed to be 16. Okay, and so they're saying find the values of x and the values of y. That's a simultaneous equation. So already x, it's more like they've made x a subject. We know that in place of x, you can substitute 2y. Whenever we are seeing x, we take it as 2y. Then we add to 8y to get our 16. Like terms, huh? 10y is equal to that. Y is therefore half of 16 is 8. Half of 10 is 5. Therefore, we can say, okay, to the lowest term mixed fraction. Okay, this is the value of y, and then they're saying twice the value of y will have the value of x. And so we'll say if x is equal to twice the value of y, and that the value of y is 1/3/5 or 8/5, therefore we'll say can use 8/5 is the same. Therefore we'll have that one as 16/5. 5 into 16, 3. 15 going to 16, there will just be a remainder of that. And so the two values are those for a simultaneous equation. Okay. So they say y varies directly as x, and that y is equal to 20 when x is equal to 2. Therefore, find the value of y when x is equal to 10. Okay. Variations. So the relationship is such that y varies directly as x. Therefore, we'll bring a constant and say the equation will look like that. We'll get the two values here. They're known ones, so we can have the value of x. The value of k here. We have y, we have x. We need to find k. We have the value of y, we need the value of x. So we just say if y is 20, our k is multiplying x, which is 2. Therefore, our k, our constant, is equal to 10. We are not done. We are saying, now that you know the value of k, find y when x is 10. Okay? And so we'll go back to the equation and say, it's supposed to be like this. We want the value of y when x is 10, having known the value of k. Having known the value of k as 10. So y is equal to 10 by, 10 by 10. The value of y is 100. Okay.
It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable.
Okay. What else? These questions like 1/2, 1/3, take away 1/4. Okay. We'll say I can either start with this, start with that, there's no problem. According to the board master, addition then subtraction. You can start with that. Okay? Like I said, 3 times 1 will still be your 3. 2 times 1 still be your 2. 3 times 2, you have your 6. Therefore, that's when you bring down. Okay, you can go for the LCM, there's no problem. I like this method of just multiplying the diagonals. 4 times 5, you have your 20, take away 6 times 1, 6 times 4. You have your 14, you have your 24. Half of 14, 7, half of 24 is 12. There goes your answer.